How to put two videos side by side. To begin, I added two videos to my timeline and I would like to put them side by side. First, drag the second video above your first video and adjust its duration. Then go to Effects panel and search for Crop, drag and drop crop effect into your top video. With your top video selected, go to Effect Controls and under Crop, increase left and right values until your subject is visible in the frame, and make sure to sum of left and right is 50%. Now increase position first value to put the video to the right side. Then select the bottom video and decrease position first value until your subject is visible on the screen. And now we have a split screen and we can add a line between them to separate videos. Use the pen tool and create a line. And then go to Effect Controls and expand the shape. And uncheck the Fill property and check the Stroke property and increase stroke width. And click on Color box to change stroke color. Drag the line above your clip and adjust its duration. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.